Man, that is so frightening because I saw that. I was like, dang, that's a big one.
I think what I heard yesterday was 4 houses were gone and 3 were damaged. I know a friend of mine, their house, not their garage, but a carport burned.
Oh, no.
And they live up on a hill in a 10,000 square foot house. Mine's a 4,000, but theirs is 10,000. So they had a bigger area. But most of the houses behind me are all on 2 acres plus.
Oh,
You can't
wow.
build on less than 2 acres.
Where are you?
I'm up Alessandra.
What's your exit? Are you off the 90?
You have the 91, you have a Central or Arlington. Either one of those goes towards March Air Force Base out that way.
Oh, yeah, yeah. The back end.
No. This one's right here.
Are you taking pictures of them?
Mm-hmm. My daughter's so funny. She's on jury duty this month or this week.
Uh-huh.
And she said, I'm on standby, Dad, so they're going to call me tomorrow. So I go in. I'm like, that doesn't know what standby means. She didn't even know what standby meant. Okay, that's it.